say that I should probably be the president, but I don't.
No.
That's it.
Apa dia tanya?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you the wife. Yeah, we had fun. You know, it's moving off music. You know, eventually, most of the time, I prefer him. He's a guy with a mission.
Like it's
To a man's whatever, and you know all about it. So, something about it there and there. There for you. So,
thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. 1, 2, 3. Sounds 1, 2, 3.
I like reading everything that I get hold of.
Laka.
Yeah. There we go.